I mainly fly the Wingtra now for all of those reasons. But one of the biggest reasons is that when we talk about RGB cameras and its associated products that they collect, so the orthophoto, the digital surface model, digital terrain model, point cloud, things like that, the electronic shutter versus mechanical shutter is a huge issue, particularly when you talk about trees. And a lot of the things we do have some sort of component of the landscape in there. We do some urban work, sure, but most of our work is not completely in suburban or in rural areas, but it has a lot of trees. And structure from motion with electronic shutters, stitching that imagery together is really challenging to get it to work right. And so the mechanical shutters provided by the Wingtra platform are far superior. They're faster. The system itself is faster. The bird is faster. The drone is faster. It has 2 props compared to lots of other things. So the stability also lends itself to stitching that imagery together. So not only is the actual shutter faster, right? But then the aircraft isn't crabbing, pitching, and rolling as much. So the imagery just stitches that much better.